Kawadhi mbele nyako Ramogi hoiro ni ogai mar duond bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka onyiso sirikal mondo chuga put moro moyiedhi mabiro nono matut gima ne okelo ng'ikruok mar ndege mar kalapapla manonego jatend jolweny mosenindo Francis Ogolla. Kalonzo wacho ni dibed ni masirano ne ochan mondo kel tho mar jatelono. Onyiero report manyo ogol manyiso ni ndege mane oting'o jamadar Ogolla ema nobedo kod ng'ikruok e injin mare.
The report that has been released following the unfortunate crash of General Ogolla along with his 9 colleagues. What has happened is whitewashing the situation. He was taken out. Nobody would believe that story. And there was a story behind why they may have wanted to take him off. He was sent by the National Security Council to go to bombers of Kenya that time before results were released. And I think that people said they would deal with them. Some of them were hard to say, we'll deal with this guy later. But because of the Tonje rules, there was no way General Ogolla was not to become the next head of our military, the CDF. So he was taken out. And that for me, and I should be forgiven for holding that view. I don't even seek forgiveness. That is my own view. We need an independent inquiry, possibly led by Parliament. If parliamentarians feel intimidated, an independent kind of inquiry. Because we cannot have a culture where military leaders are taken out, political leaders are taken out. These helicopter crashes must end.